Hello everyone, this is Raghav Agrawal, pursuing BTech from SJS ITS Indore in Information Technology. So today I am here to explain some topics of DBMS, that is DCL and TCL command. DCL data control language and TCL transaction control language. That are some commands which are in DBMS. So DBMS categorized into four language. We are going to see one by one. So DBMS is categorized into four categories. So DBMS commands are categorized into four categories: DDL, data definition language; DML, data manipulation language; DCL, data control language; TCL, and transaction control language. We are here to mainly focus on DCL and TCL language. So what is DCL? Data control language. It allows you to control access to the data stored in our database. Uh, it mainly control the access right to the user, that whoever user can have access to our data of database. So there are two basic commands of DCL: grant and revoke. Grant command is used to give access to the user, and revoke command is used to take our access back from the user. So what is the syntax of grant? Grant, first we have to write grant in the starting of the query, then select whatever the type of the access we are going to give. So what is the syntax of the grant command? First we have to write grant in the grant keyword in the starting of our query. Then next we have to write the privilege, that if we are going to give access on the object name and then the username to whom we are going to give access. The next is revoke command. The syntax of the revoke command is we have to use revoke keyword, then privilege name on object name on which object we are going to give access or revoke access from which object, then username to whom we are going to take our access back. The access right are controlled by in DBMS by the data administrator, who can give access and revoke access from the user. So some types of privilege in DCL are select, insert, update, delete, and execute. Select means read data from a table, that whoever user can have right to read data from our table. Insert, that whoever user can have a right to insert data in our table. Modify, same, and delete, whoever user can have right to delete our data. Whoever user can have right to execute our query. Data of why we are using DCL. So DCL mainly focus on security. It protects our data from unauthorized access. It allows our data to have access to a specific group of persons. The next is TCL command, transaction control language. It is mainly used to manage transaction in a database, ensure that the database remain consistent and reliable. Some commands of TCL are insert, update, and delete. So what is first we have to see what is transaction. Transaction is a sequence of some SQL commands, SQL statements that are executed in a single unit. Transaction follows the ACID property: atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. Atomicity means even all operation can succeed or none of them get succeeded. Consistency: keep the data in a valid state. Isolation: transactions don't interfere with each other. What is durability? Once committed, changes are permanent. Then no one going to change your data. Durability: once committed, changes are permanent. Main TCL command is commit. When we perform all the statements of our transaction, we have to permanent our data, that it will be saved permanent.